Hello everyone! Today I will make 4 refreshing and green dessert and drink recipes for the summer. They are Pennywort and mung bean juice, green grass chilies, celery, cucumber and apple detox juice, and chendol. Let's begin! Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes!
Green apple, celery and cucumber juice is said to help your body get rid of the toxins and improve your energy levels and help you lose weight. You will need a branch of celery, half a cucumber, half a green apple, 1 piece of ginger, cut into slices and combine in the blender with 500 ml of water. Blitz away and strain the liquid. And discard the leftovers. Squeeze in half a lime or 2 kumquats for some extra flavor. This juice has a miraculous effect on reducing belly fat. Please give it a try. Besides, do not forget, drinking enough water every day also helps you lose weight very effectively. Another kind of green juice that is very familiar to the Vietnamese people is the mung bean and Pennywort juice, which also has a really good detoxifying effect. You will need 500 grams of Pennywort, 1 liter water, half a cup mung bean, 60 grams sugar and half a cup of coconut milk. Rinse the Pennywort thoroughly and put in the blender with 1 liter of purified water. Add 60 grams sugar and blend well. Strain out the leftovers. Soak half a cup of peeled and split mung bean in water for about 1 hour. Combine with 1 cup water in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Then lower the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes until softened. Stir occasionally. Transfer to a blender with half a cup of coconut milk and 60 grams of sugar. Blend well to puree. The green Pennywort juice has a sweet taste, and the pungency of the Pennywort is balanced with the sweetness of the mung beans and the rich coconut milk. This is a drink that purifies and detoxifies the body very well. Next recipe is green grass chilies drink with basil seeds. You will need green chili leaves, purified water, half cup coconut milk, a piece of ginger, some brown sugar and basil seeds. Wash the green grass chili leaves thoroughly. Add 2 liters of purified water. Use both hands to crush and rub the leaves, keeping the hands in the water to prevent creating the foam. Keep rubbing for about 15 minutes until the liquid is viscous and turn green. Transfer the liquid into a container and refrigerate for about 3 hours until the liquid solidifies into a dark green chewy jelly. Next, soak the basil seeds in water for about 15 minutes to bloom. To make the sugar syrup, mix half a cup of brown sugar with a 1/4 cup of water, a pinch of ginger, and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil and stir until the sugar dissolves. Let cool. Combine 120 ml of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons sugar in a saucepan and bring to a boil, and then dissolve a teaspoon tapioca starch with 2 tablespoons of water and then pour in to thicken. Cut the jelly into a glass of ice. Add the sugar syrup, the basil seeds, and coconut sauce. So refreshing and tasty. Final recipe is another green dessert, which is chendol. You will need 15 pandan leaves, half a liter purified water, 60 grams mung bean flour, salt, sugar, coconut milk, brown sugar, and a piece of ginger. First of all, finely chop 15 pandan leaves and combine with 500 ml of purified water and blend well, then strain out the leftovers to get 400 ml of pandan juice. 60 grams of mung bean flour, 400 ml of pandan juice, and 2 tablespoons sugar. Stir well over medium heat until thickened. Pour into a potato ricer and slightly press to release the cooked starch into a bowl of ice cold water. Now serve in a glass with some sugar syrup and coconut milk. So good. I wish you success, and do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese desserts and recipes. I will see you then next time. Bye bye!